As a trusted go-to partner in 224G technology, TE provides comprehensive engineering support and tailored solutions, leveraging extensive expertise and experience in artificial intelligence and machine learning systems. TE's AdrenaLine 224G connector portfolio is a next-generation solution meticulously engineered for GPU module integration and optimized for higher data rates driving cabled system architectures. This product portfolio addresses the dynamic landscape by presenting a robust end-to-end solution for a clear transition to 224G data center operations. The AdrenaLine 224G connector portfolio includes cabled I/O connectors with Twinax copper cables connecting to near-chip connectors, industry-standard form factors like OSFP and QSFP-DD, integrated connector and cage press onto the host board, auxiliary pins, power and low-speed lines pressed onto board like a traditional receptacle, cabled backplane featuring hermaphroditic mating interface for 224G signal integrity performance, operates at 224G PAM4 data rates with 90 ohm impedance. Design is optimized for 25 to 32 gauge cable. Near-chip connectors featuring AdrenaLine Catapult utilizing micro LGA socket technology. Socketed technology enables excellent signal integrity at 224G data rates. Available in varied configurations of differential pairs. Customization available for other configurations and latching compression mechanisms, and in-house produced 224G cable. A comprehensive solution for next-gen operations, delivering crucial connectivity from beginning to end. TE's connector products can minimize architecture uncertainties, accelerating your time to market with offerings that meet or surpass industry standards. TE's AdrenaLine connectors can seamlessly combine cutting-edge technology with top-tier performance, enabling the evolution of AI and machine learning systems. Embrace the future confidently with TE's AdrenaLine connectors, where innovation converges with reliability. To find out more, go to te.com and search AdrenaLine.